Hey, this is Oscar. I just got back from a 2-week trip from Japan with my daughter, who's 15 months old, and my wife. It was just the three of us traveling for 2 weeks between Tokyo and Kyoto. This is everything that I took. We went in the first 2 weeks of December. I wanted to share this because I like watching videos like this, and I like to see what I use, what I didn't use, and so I can pack better for the future. So if you're interested, stick around. All of my stuff I packed into the Tomtoc 40-liter. This is a great bag. I got this for my birthday. This time we ended up using it also as carrying for my stuff, but also as a day pack. Loved it. I like that it is a big cavity. You can pull all your stuff in here, take everything out, has pockets, everything fit in here. I wore these Lululemon cargo pants. Great, loved them. Liked that they were thicker material. I ended up pretty much just wearing these the whole trip. They have a nice weight to them. The cargo pants are nice. I didn't really put too much stuff in there. It was just nice to have the options. I do wear a sling, so most of my stuff fits in there. Just nice to have, and I thought they looked pretty cool. I got this randomly from Sam's. This is just like a tech fleece hoodie. Great pickup. I liked this. It is a little bit thicker. I ended up using it mainly for travel days, just because it was bigger than anything else, so that way I can make more space. The shirt I wore was another Lululemon shirt product, and this is the Lululemon shirt. I love this. This was great. This went for like 2 or 3 wears without it getting stinky. I'll get into the other stuff that I took. This jacket got used every single day. It's a nice hoodie, has zippers so I can layer, stuff like that. It was important to layer just because it would be cold and windy in the morning, even throughout the day. But once you get into the store, they have the heater cranked up to 80, 90 degrees or something, it felt like. So it was just nice to be able to take it off. And having a zipper was good. Has pockets, fit nice. The next thing I took was this Barakett shirt. I got this from Nordstrom after this one dude did a whole deep dive on what's the best t-shirt, stuff like that. This was actually pretty nice. I bought it. It was on sale. It's probably $40. There's probably better shirts that you can wear. I just like that it was a nice, different color. I was wearing a lot of blacks and grays, so I just wanted to wear something different. It's a nice tech material. I had high hopes to work out. We could have done body weight stuff, but a lot of the hotels that we went to didn't have gyms. That's a big excuse. We were walking so much and we were so tired watching after our 15-month-old that we just didn't work out. So I ended up just wearing this as a normal shirt. This is a Lululemon workout shirt. Didn't really stink after a couple of wears, so this was nice. Yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to wear something cool. This is an El Salvador jersey, long sleeve, which is different. I like the collar. I just like it. I thought it was cool. So this shirt was I think the only cotton shirt I took, 100% cotton. This is a hidden shirt. I got this right before we left. I've been big into hidden, and I just thought it was a cool shirt to take and wear. Wore this towards the end of my trip in Shibuya. Any stuff that we wore, it was layered, so we really weren't sporting this too much. There were times that, again, we'd take our jacket off, you can see it, but that was pretty much it. This I used also every single day. This is a Patagonia Capilene medium weight. I know the name of this one. I've owned this for 10 years already. I use it on every camping trip. Anytime it's cold, this has been a top tier purchase for me. At least the top. One thing I did wear that I did not take with me, I wore these for 6 days straight over there because I bought them halfway through our trip. Went on a hunt for some Japanese salvage denim. I got some Vomero jeans. These are great. I went to several stores, Tokyo, Uniqlo Station, Kyoto, a bunch of stores in Kyoto, all the different markets. None of them carried. I tried on a size 40. They were too small. I thankfully stumbled across these because somebody from a store in Kyoto was Momotaro's down the street, walk over there, they got what you need. So I was really blessed with these. I've always wanted a pair of Japanese salvage denim. I've always wanted that This right here, this is what's amazing to me. And just the quality of this is amazing. I like that there's heritage behind it. And it's something that I hope to keep for a long time. So the other bag that I took was the Tomtoc sling. This is from Uniqlo. As soon as I got this, I switched over to this completely. I like that you can fit a water bottle in here. Shout out to this Awala bottle. This is pretty much what we drank out of every single day. It has one on this side, has one on that side. I love it. It zips up. This was great. It was cool that I got it in Japan. So this is something else that I switched to over there. The shoes I wore was the Nike Vomero 5. I only took this pair of shoes. These are really comfortable, walking between 10 and 20,000 steps per day for 2 weeks. They still look pretty new. Japan's very clean, so that's why they stay pretty clean. So I like these. This is everything else that I took, everything that I packed it in. I packed all my clothes, tops and bottoms, into 2 different compressions packs. This is all my socks and underwears that I took. Tech-wise, I ended up taking an iPad Air. I took my Dell laptop, 13-inch. I took a Kindle. I barely used this. I ended up just reading stuff off of my phone whenever I had a chance. Oh, I forgot the other thing I took was a pair of Lululemon shorts. These were like just around the hotel. I took a buff. This is the smaller buff that I got. Actual buff. This was nice. It's just black and it's the half size of it. Bandana, I didn't really use it. Beanies, these -33 have been super clutch. They're like, I think they're 15 bucks on Amazon. They're probably 20 bucks now. They're great. These are merino wool. Keep my head warm, as you can tell. I need insulation. So yeah, start packing. I would just kind of throw everything in here. My clothes fit on top of each other, just like that. I still have a big cavity here. Oh, I forgot my underwear. I didn't really go over this, like I said. Socks, underwears, I probably took five underwears and like 3 or 4 pairs of socks. I'll list everything below. The Darn Tough were the MVPs of the trip though. I like those a lot. That's all zipped up. I would keep my Kindle in the front pocket here. It does have a top axis. This is where I would just keep just a plug. I carried battery packs in the sling, but it was just nice to have this always there. And then, like I mentioned, it does have a laptop slot. The other cool thing I like about this bag is that you can like open it this way, so you can still access all your stuff from either side, front or back. So laptop fits back here. I think they say it fits up to a 17-inch laptop in the back. I also always do this. I won't show it, but it's birth certificate, copies of our passports, and then our itinerary. This is just nice to have for backup purposes, you know. And then my iPad, slide it back here. Close that up. This would still have space. So like I got a magazine somewhere. I slide it in here, so just keep it upright. And that was pretty much it. Here's the bag. Like I mentioned, I have my sling here. What I'd carry in here was my camera. I did get a little charm. I'll talk about what I bought later. Notebook, battery pack. I liked that this has access in the back. Money, and these are supposed to be passports. I don't want to show my real thing. So yeah, this was great. I love using this for the couple days that I did use it. This combo, I think you can probably get for like $100. So yeah, this is what I wore. This was a really great setup for me. It was great for the family. Even better when I switched over to this. We'd go to the convenience store, put drinks, snacks, Pokemon cards, whatever I bought, I would just throw it in there. It was just nice to have as a combo. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around. I know this is probably a long, rambling video. I'm still pretty new to YouTube and just kind of talking about stuff. I really just wanted to document everything I took and wore in Japan. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along the journey. See ya.